Hello everyone, my name is Zach and this is my friend Rip Curry. Oh my gosh. So he's talking in my native language. Let me just... Bro! Di ko masing shoot. Wrong one. Wrong the way to... Bro! Yo, what's up? I have another one. Bro, you wanna go to rank with me?
Sure. Zach, alam mo ba? May lahi tayo. Spanish, America,
Bro! Be quiet!
Chinese,
Bro! English.
British.
English only. Please. Yo, so you're gonna go in my party, bro. Magra-rank tayo. Accident.
Oh,
You idiot.
let me crash you.
So, I guess we're just gonna play this. Wait,
1v1 talaga, please.
fine. What do you want? Anong loadout? Kahit ano? Bro. What? Bro's going knife. Knew it. How? What is this guy's pick?
Anything.
Anything. Bet.
You're so easy. Oh my gosh.
Bro,
Baka nakalimutan mo ako. Master ako dito.
I was lagging. Okay. Tsaka master na din ako sa predict.
Okay.
Sa ano,
Lag?
Molotov.
Master ka na sa pag-pre-predict. Mag-pre-predict mo ba ako?
Sa Molotov, you hear me? Mol. Only meta players can do that.
Meta players of Protec. Nah, bro, I'm lagging.
That's what you get. Flick! I left. Bro, there's 3 minutes left. I mean, 2 minutes. Oh, yeah, I remember how trash you are.
Nah.
Where are you aiming?
Nah, bro, I gotta fix my settings.
Nah, but it's the same settings as ever.
Di ako sanay sa old mouse ko. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Bombaklat. You hear me? Bombaklat.
Kapatid ko ang puta. Oh, shit. Ganun.
Oh! No scope. No scope. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video. Let me just cook this guy right now. You know they can hear you, right? Bombaklat. Oh, I kala ko magsa-snap. I thought we were going sniper.
I'm not saying I said anything, bro.
Okay, so, bro, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And thank Thank you, Zaken.